In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this spiral rotate text effect in Canva in just a few minutes. We're starting with a blank canvas. Now, first we want to go to the app section. And here we want to type curve. Open up the application. Now, what we have here is the preview at the top of the page. If it's not visible to me, it's because I removed the sample text from the text box. There is a few paths that we can choose. For example, this spiral. Then just add your text. For example, I type spiral text and continue. The entire path will be filled with text. You can style it from the Style section. You can also change the font and change the color. Also adjust the font size and font weight. Adjust the letter spacing and offset amount. When you are satisfied with the result, click Add to Design. Change the background color to any color you want. Select the text and go to Animate. Apply Animate Rotate to it. Increase or decrease the speed as you wish.